Hello students, myself Harshal Nilkanda Nemade, lecturer in Mechanical Department at Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering. I will be taking a practical 10 on basic mechanical engineering. Aim: assemble dismantle of centrifugal compressor. You may see the figure of centrifugal compressor. Okay, inlet area is more, and as the air is getting compressed, the area is getting less to increase the pressure of or increase the velocity of compressed air. It is a dynamic compressor. It consists of rotating impeller which rotates at higher speed up to 60,000 rpm. An impeller fitted inside the casing force and the air to the rim of the impeller increase the velocity of air. Construction: centrifugal compressor consists of the following components: inlet casing with the converging nozzle. Function of nozzle is to accelerate the air and deliver the impeller. The energy transfer take place in the impeller. Kinetic energy and static pressure of both are increased by the rotating impeller. Diffuser: function of diffuser is to transform high kinetic energy of air at the impeller outlet into the static pressure. Outlet casing: this is known as the volute casing. Working: impeller rotate at very high speed up to 30,000 rpm and produce the centrifugal head on the air. Due to this, air is drawn axially direction into the impeller eye. Air then flow radially from the impeller eye to the tip of the impeller blade, thereby increasing the pressure and velocity under the action of the increased momentum. Air leave the impeller from the impeller tip and enter into the fixed diffuser blade. Diffuser blades are so shaped that they can provide the increased area of the passage to the air. Hence, the kinetic energy of the air is reduced and pressure energy is increased in the diffuser. High pressure air leaving the diffuser carried through the volute casing before it leaves the compressor. Volute casing has the increased the cross-sectional area, which helps in further to reduce the velocity of air and raising it the pressure. This is the working and construction we have seen. Now we will see advantages. At low weight, easy to design and manufacture, suitable for continuous compressed air supply such as a cooling unit. Centrifugal compressor are reliable, low maintenance. Disadvantages: large frontal area for a given air flow rate compared to the axial flow compressor, unsuitable for the very high compression, limited pressure. They are sensitive to change in the gas composition. Application: centrifugal compressor meet the air demand to the compressed air. Gas turbine in the automobile, turbocharger and supercharger, refrigeration, air conditioning and HVAC. Manufacturing process: compressed air for the pneumatic tools. Thank you.